Let's warm up with a comforting, hearty, easy to prepare soup. Get ready for Italian sausage and tortellini soup. And guess what? We're using the slow cooker. What could be easier than that? Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need Italian sausage, cannellini beans, tortellini, carrots, petite diced tomatoes, baby kale, chicken broth, Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, white onion, Italian seasoning, lemon juice, and minced garlic. The only prep work you need to do is to cut up your veggies and to brown your sausage. So let's start there. In the large skillet, add the sausage and you're gonna cook it for about 8 minutes until it's brown, also breaking it up with the back of a spoon. All right, you know the drill. Let's start loading up this slow cooker. Everything is gonna go in except for the tortellini, kale, and the cream. Don't forget to put your sausage drippings in from your pan. Now, all we have to do is to cover it, and we're gonna cook it on high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours. It's time to add the tortellini, the salt, and pepper, and then you're going to cook it for an additional 5 minutes. Once your tortellini is cooked through, you're ready to add in your kale and your cream. You're gonna stir it and cook for about 2 more minutes, and then you're ready to serve it up. Top it off with some shredded Parmesan cheese and you're good to go. Now you enjoy this warm and hearty soup, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.